In this video, I'm going to show you how you can instantly lower your blood pressure. On a clinical level, I've seen this countless times over and over and over again after taking care of tens of thousands of patients in a clinic and then helping hundreds of thousands of people online. This technique right here could drop your blood pressure by 5 to 10 points, and it is so simple. I'm going to show you in just a moment, okay? So, how to instantly lower your blood pressure. Understanding the cause of your blood pressure is super important, right? But one of the main parts of it is what controls everything in your body. So what is the most important organ inside of your body? It's not your heart. It's your brain. It's your brain. Your brain controls everything inside of your body. Your brain sends messages from here down the spinal cord across your nerve to every organ, cell, and tissue you have. It beats your heart. It breathes your lungs. It tells you to love someone. Your brain controls everything. The main interstate that your brain communicates with your organs is called the vagus nerve. It's my favorite nerve. I have a favorite nerve. I'm kind of a geek like that, being a doctor. The vagus nerve sounds just like Las Vegas, except it's spelled V-A-G-U-S, okay? The vagus nerve controls your blood pressure. Comes right at the top of your neck, goes right down here, controls your blood pressure. It does it through two pathways. There's two sides of the interstate, okay? There's two parts to the car, if we continue with that analogy. There's the accelerator and there's the brakes. The accelerator system zooms down to the heart to stress the heart. It's called your sympathetic nervous system, and the sympathetic pathway increases blood pressure. If you were to be walking in the woods and a rattlesnake was in the middle of the trail, your sympathetic nervous system would be in overdrive. Well, some of you are literally sitting at your desk at work feeling that same kind of stress, but you're not in front of a rattlesnake. You see, our environment today constantly is hitting the accelerator. We constantly have stress stimulating the sympathetic nervous system, and we're completely missing the other pedal, which is the brakes. The brakes are called your parasympathetic nervous system, and that's what lowers your heart rate. But you see, we don't normally stimulate it during the day. Well, I'm going to show you how to stimulate your parasympathetic nervous system right now. So if you'd like to instantly reduce your blood pressure today, do this. The parasympathetic nervous system is stimulated by deep breathing. It's called paced breathing. Stay with me, okay? It's a 5-second deep breath in, 5-second deep breath out. You may call it smelling the roses and blowing out the candles. You are strengthening your brakes. If you do not use the brakes and strengthen the brakes, your parasympathetic nervous system is never activated, and then your blood pressure has trouble lowering because we're constantly hitting the accelerator. I can't change your deadlines. I can't change, a rogue kid. I can't change a stressful relationship. I can't change someone that's passed in your life or stressful life situations. But we can, and I can teach you in moments right here, right now, how to lower your blood pressure by strengthening the brakes. 5-second deep breath in. Let's try it. 5 out. It is more important to get the full 5-second breath out than it is the 5-second in. 5 in is kind of hard, depending on your lung capacity. But 5 out is very important. And you repeat for 1 minute, or if you're zealous, 2 minutes. You might feel a little bit of just almost lightheadedness with it because you're getting so much oxygen into your system. This is literally nature's smoke break. I'm telling you to take a smoke break to lower your, don't actually smoke the cigarette, but to lower your blood pressure. You could do that. It takes a minute or two probably to smoke a cigarette. I don't know, I don't smoke. But you can drop your blood pressure 5 to 10 points in 1 to 2 minutes if you did it multiple times a day. You could set an alarm in your phone. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Choose your smoke break and literally walk and breathe. 5-second breath in, 5-second breath out. 2 minutes of that. Think about something happy. Don't think about your work deadlines. Think about something that makes you smile. A grandbaby, right? A trip you're going to take. Your spouse, whatever it is, right? Think about something happy. Breathe consistently. That will literally lower your blood pressure 5 to 10 points. I want you to go try this. I want you to comment below once you see if you have a way to measure your blood pressure, what this does to your blood pressure. And this video right here is one to pass on to a loved one because it has helped tens of thousands of people have the blessing to do that. Will you pay it forward to them and share this one with someone else that needs to know it? Now, also below, put a link to help you to understand 7 causes and 7 natural remedies. There's only 7 reasons blood pressure goes high. I'm going to cover it in this next video to give you the long-term correction and remedies to fix your blood pressure for good. Check this out right here. It's a good place to start.